Welcome to Tallo. Today we will walk you through how to write a personal bio to display on your Tallo profile. Once you log into your account, you want to make sure that you are on the Profile tab. When you scroll down, you will see the About section and simply click the plus. By including a short bio, you are helping to highlight details about yourself. You can see on the left-hand side, we have recommendations, tool tips, and help ideas for what should go into this section. Think of this as a way for your brain to get thinking about what it is that you want to include and how you want to present yourself to companies. You'll see your first and last name, several areas for you to complete. Once you're ready to start typing, select your cursor into the bio section. Remember to keep it short and professional. Show your personality and include details that express what you are most passionate about. Fill in the remaining sections for the About area and simply select Save Content. Congratulations! Your profile is looking great. Enjoy your journey on Tallo.